Hey guys, and welcome to the tutorial millennial channel. In this video I will be showing you where Sage usually puts her walls in Valorant. The first one is fracture, and normally in the first phase until like the end I would just buy a wall, and in this map I go to the B side, and I am just going to sort of put a wall over here, and I will start building it when the timer is over, when the buy phase is over. And then I will just usually stand over over here, so when people shoot down the wall I can see them. And then an agent will sometimes be over there to watch my back. And now moving on to the split map, I will then go and buy the wall again, and I will buy a shield, but you don't have to buy a shield, but I prefer buying it. And I usually go sort of to the mid side over there, and I place a wall over here, like on the stairs. Just wait for the timer to go off, and let's just build it over here. And then I just usually go to the B side, but if there's no enemies there, I go to the A side, but I normally just stick with the B side. Next is Ascent. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but on this map, I'm obviously going to buy a wall again and a shield, and I go to mid. I go to the middle and place my wall right over and on this side, but if there are no enemies, sometimes I don't put a wall at all, but yeah, I just do it from the beginning. As you can see, I'm just trying to like show you can rotate it, but usually it's best if you put it from the side, and like go down from it, of course. And I normally go to the B side again to see if there are any enemies. Some agents will be down there. Now we have the bind map, and I think it is one of my favorites. I'm not really sure, but I sometimes like this map, and of course I'm going to buy a wall and a shield, and I can make a wall in B or A. If there's a lot of people on A, I go to B. Sometimes put my wall up here, or in that entry over there, but I have to jump through it. Or I can go to A. This is me just walking to the A side, and I will build a wall over right there near the portal right here, and I usually just stand back and like lean against the corners so I can see like sort of that part of the entry, but I prefer the other one because I can see both of the entries. Like I can see people coming from the right side, and like this part I can see people coming from the right side, and also the one on the front coming from there. Next we have Haven, and I would just usually put a wall on the B side, like on the B base, I guess, and I usually put a wall over here. It's like the mid, because this is the only map that has A, B, and C. The other map has only A and B, and I would just build a wall over here when the timer goes off, and sometimes I would just listen if there are steps, and if there are steps here, I would just wait over here. But if people notify there's an enemy in C or A, I will go there and help the rest of my team. As you can see, this is just me running to the A side. There's no one else playing but me because this is just a tutorial, but there you go. Now we have Icebox, which is kind of my other favorite map. And here I'm again buying a wall and a shield, and I usually go to A and build the sage wall over here. And let's just wait for the timer to go off. And I put it in between these two, I don't know, parts. And I would just normally walk backwards because I get shoot a lot over here after like planting the, like building the wall, and I would just be in the corner or behind over here and just wait for footsteps. If there aren't any and they've alerted me to go to B, I will go there. Now we have the Breeze map. It's my least favorite map for some reasons, and Haven too, but that's because since yesterday I've been put on this map. But I usually just go to B and I set up my wall on that entrance over here. I rarely go to A ever, but most of the time I'm like here alone, and once the timer goes off, I'm just going to build it, and I usually look to the right because that's where the other entrance is. Sometimes the like enemy will be just like right there and like shoot me. How am I going back there? Yeah, I just stay right over there, honestly, and just look around, and if there's no one in B, I will go to A. Alright, and that is basically it. Let me know if you enjoy these videos or not. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. If you haven't, please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. I think that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!